Hello to all. Today I am going to discuss about question related to the English, which can be play a beneficial role in your upcoming entrance examination for LLB honors. So please learn it carefully or read it carefully. So here the word is degradation. So actually today we are going to discuss about synonyms and antonyms of some specific word. So listen it carefully. So the first word is degradation. Degradation means degrading someone or to humiliate or to. Synonyms is as follow means disgrace, dishonor, humiliate और debase means किसी को नीचा दिखाना. You can say that. And इस antonyms is that अगर डिग्रेडेशन मीन्स किसी को नीचा दिखाना, देन एंटोनिम्स इसका उल्टा क्या होगा, किसी को क्या बोलते हैं ऑनर के साथ बात करना या ऑनर देना उनको. सो योर ऑप्शन योर आंसर इज योर एंटोनिम्स ऑफ डिग्रेडेशन इज एक्सैल्टेशन, प्रेज, ट्रिम्फेंट, ऑनर. Next question is that deficient. So deficient means deficit. You have heard about deficit in your economics. Deficit means kami. So kami means scanty. Is synonyms of deficient means is scanty, inadequate, lacking और wanting. means कमी होना किसी चीज़ का. इसका एंटोनिम्स क्या हो जाएगा कि मतलब कमी होना, मतलब इसका जो सिनोनिम्स है, इसका मीनिंग डिफिशिएंट मीन्स किसी चीज़ का कमी हो जाना, तो इसका उल्टा क्या होगा, किसी चीज़ का कमी ना होना, हर चीज़ भरपूर हो आपके पास, मीन्स सफिशिएंट हो. तो योर ऑप्शन योर एंटोनिम्स इज दैट एडिक्वेट, एम्पल, सफिशिएंट एंड एबुडेंट. यू कैन ऑल्सो सफिशिएंट इज गिवन हियर. सो एंड द वर्ड इज दैट डिफ़ॉल्ट. डिफ़ॉल्ट मीन्स कुछ ओमिशन कर देना, कुछ गलती कर देना. So your synonyms of default is failure, omission, negligence, lapse, and antonyms is perfection. Default मतलब omission कर देना, तो कुछ गलत काम कर देना, तो उसका एंटोनिम्स क्या हो जाएगा, कुछ सही काम करना. परफेक्शन, विजिलेंस, अटेंटिव, ऑब्जर्वेंस. योर नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज दैट एग्जॉल्ट. एग्जॉल्ट मीन्स क्या होता है, एग्जॉल्ट मीन्स क्या बोलते हैं, किसी को आप बोल सकते हैं कि डिग्निफाई करना या डिग्निटी, मान सम्मान देना. सो योर सिनोनिम्स ऑफ एग्जॉल्ट इज एक्सटॉल, डिग्निफाई, ग्लोरीफाई और एलिवेट, बढ़ाना. एंड एंटोनिम्स ऑफ एग्जॉल्ट इज dishonor, disgrace, degrade, denounce. And evident means क्या होता है, obvious, apparent, distinct means different, conspicuous. And antonyms of evident is obscure, concealed, hidden and unnoticeable. And your next word is a esteem. esteem is किसी के योर एज यू हैव in 10th or 12th level you have in English newspaper you read a letter to editor, so you always read in body part that is in the column, so the column of your esteemed newspaper means your esteemed famous newspaper, you can say that, or reverence. So dignity, you can say that respect toward that newspaper or that authority or anything. Esteem is regards, reverence, admiration. And antonyms of esteem is ridicule, spurn, despise, humiliate, बेइज्जती करना किसी का. Equivocal, it is adjective. Equivocal. So equivocal means uncertain, hazy, ambiguous means confusion, vague means uncertain, you can say that confusion, you can also say that. and antonyms is obvious, lucid, and clear. Your next word is that endeavor. Endeavor means undertake, aspire, venture, effort. And antonyms of endeavor means siege, quit, son, idle. Your next question is that embrace. Embrace means climb, hung, adopt, caress, and sorry. And antonyms is reject, neglect, shun, slight. And next word is that fibriolous. Fibriolous means petty, अच्छी thing, pity, worthless, capricious, and volatile, which can be evaporated easily. Antonyms is solemn, significant, pertinent, or sensible, sensitive, you can say that. And the next word is forsake. You say that na, forsake, leave me. So forsake, synonyms is synonyms of forsake is desert, renounce, छोड़ देना, relinquence, discount. And antonyms is maintain, retain, claim. Forerunner means precursor, predecessor, ancestor, pioneer, तब यहीं के. And antonym means descendant, follower, heir, successor. Heir means, you know what is the meaning of heir? Here you can say that जैसे कि आपके पिता हैं, और जैसे कि here we can say that कि sorry, 1 minute, sorry, here we can say that here means vanshaj. And the next question is that fluctuate. So meaning of fluctuate is deflect, vacillate, vary, deviate. means फ्लक्चुएट मीन्स अप डाउन डिफ्लेक्ट होता है, जो फ्लक्चुएशन होती है वो उसकी बात करता है. मतलब ये अनस्टेबल, वी कैन से दैट. एंड एंटोनिम्स ऑफ फ्लक्चुएट इज स्टेबल, रिजोल्यूट, इनअल्टरेबल. And the word is flismy. Flismy means trifling, transparent, brittle, unsubstantial. And the antonyms of flismy means firm, tenacious, durable, retentive. And the next word is fleeting. Fleeting means transient, temporary, ephemeral, transitory. And antonyms of fleeting means enduring, eternal, perpetual, unceasing. So, and the next word we will discuss tomorrow. So if you like this video, if you enjoy this video, then like, subscribe, and comment on this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Sorry.